that show, and also we get Splash Baby for Inside Studio. It is sad. They pay me say we'll not get the video of Agege. Even on top say the video of Agege don't they everywhere. They scatter things. Now, Splash, make I ask you. Now when you decide, say you want to enter music, and how long you don't do music? Don't
tell, like 6 years ago, but then I was in Abuja.
Yeah. So, why you can't talk Agege? You're testing from Agege, you start.
As I move, come Lagos, now Agege, now I start for here.
Now you start? Come they do rap?
Yeah. They rap.
What talk now? So how long do you do music? 7 years, 6 years, 7 years.
Professionally?
Professionally.
Like 4 years. 4 years.
Yeah. No, but when you start, you say, I can sing music, I can do rap, you know.
That should be like 8 years ago.
You know, to say she speak English.
Yeah, they come. You know, they come out. They come out.
What did they speak?
Now, pidgin they speak here.
Pidgin is born out of waiting at the speak.
You still using English.
Now, when you decide to enter music, now, you get one question why they always ask any artist, where come here? You go to school?
Where I go school.
Which school you go? What do you read for school?
I don't even eat my school fees, sir.
So what you decide talk now? Say
we
chop
our school fees. If you be saying chop your own, this one.
No, we know people will chop their school fees. We know. Not be say with a point finger, but we know people chop their school fees. Now, what did you study for school to start with?
I studied linguistics.
Jehovah.
Jesus is Lord.
So if you speak, should I hear Jesus is Lord? It means if you speak, people they study linguistics, if you speak other foreign language.
Normally you go major on one language. So it's your choice to choose French or those, but I majored in English.
English? Yeah. So you not choose any other language?
No.
My sister, you do well. Thank God say don't worry yourself, so you good speak French or Chinese. Now, when you enter music, your parents not give you, your family not give you any issue about entering music?
They give me wahala. Because in my house, they are very protective. So they don't want to make I move from Abuja come Lagos, they feel spoil or or begin follow bad people.
Bad boys.
That kind of thing. They be like, this small girl, wait till they move to Lagos.
But you never spoil?
No, I never spoil.
Wait, what do you mean? Anyway, before I ask another question, our phone numbers go there on top our TVs now, on your TVs now. Make you begin to call us today for Talk to Splash. And also on top Twitter, we're going to take your messages on top Twitter. Now, Splash, what do you mean by spoil?
And they tell you what's in the...
So, what do your parents they try? So, what do your people they try talk now?
Say, I don't spoil.
Or say you get people where they the industry.
We don't spoil.
We don't spoil. Other ladies or girls in the industry, we don't spoil.
Yeah,
like who?
Like...
No, if you not...
Like them.
Like them. No, if you call Cynthia Morgan, I not go worry.
Hey.
No, because I say you don't spoil. I just they talk. I just they talk. But now who... Why your... Because the place they know you.
They know me, sir, never spoil. Now why they want protect me? You know, they fought. They didn't want me to.
So now who spoil? What it be spoil? If they say person spoil, what do you mean by say person spoil?
Me, I don't know.
Because since you know this spoil.
Now them, I don't know. Now them, no.
No, this spoil, you know.
Now them, no. No be me.
You don't know this spoil.
I don't know.
So for them, when will be last time you go to your house? Go see your mama.
That should be 7 months ago.
7 months ago? For that 7 months ago, when you go, they not see any tiny spoil for your body.
any sign of spoil.
Any sign of spoil.
They don't see.
They not see any sign of spoil.
If to say they see and they go move me back to Abuja. They know they joke.
Anyway, from Ikoyi here, good evening. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. How is it, Mohammed?
Yeah, my name is Abba Mohammed. I'm calling from Ikoyi, Lagos.
I'm going to talk. Would they hear you?
Hello?
Hello, now?
Yeah, my name is Abba Mohammed.
I don't hear your name.
Okay, sir. Just I want to thank for Wazobia. I am first caller.
Oh, wait. You want? Make I give you welcome.
Yeah, because I am very happy. I am enjoying the program. Any type of program I am enjoying Thank you very much, and thank you for all the program.
Now go the Baba. Now go the go.
Okay.
To say this, I feel.
And that girl says, yeah, I know.
Can I now?
Inajinka.
To say this, not just say this, I feel.
Oh, okay, now go there. Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, good evening.
How are you, Nedu?
I am with me.
I am with you.
I am with me.
I am with you.
Dr. Miss Splash is here. She
So how
never
are you doing? Plus, how are you doing?
Are they fine? No, how far now?
How is the ministry?
The ministry is moving.
Tell me, don't you have boyfriend?
I have one
How
in
many you
you.
get?
What do you talk?
How many you get?
I say I have one in you.
What do you get?
Are you sure?
Boyfriend.
What?
Yes.
Can you go?
You did inside toilet? And they hear echo. If I say you thief the phone, go call.
In the hide from him, get
They
from.
hide from, oh, your babe with their house. You don't run.
You don't run.
Kind of bye. Hello, we're on the line. Good evening. Now back to you, Splash. Before we take another phone call. Now I be the ask you, we could leave that spoil pass. But
we just leave her.
We know.
We know who's spoil, ba.
We know who's spoil.
We know.
You know because we. Now for music, what you do? We get plenty artists who knows how to play music instrument.
Okay.
Now before I come to that music instrument pass. Now, who discover you say he's a bit sing? Because you go down there somewhere now. Somebody go say, oh, this guy can sing. Come, let me sing you. You can't sing church, wasa, can't they break toilet, they break with hot pot, you know this thing.
The thing be say nobody discovered me, but I used to have this friend, but he's late now. He used to write for me then. He go write for me, give me, I go come, do the same thing we do. Now, so I take start, come begin write for myself. So. Basically, okay, it's safe to say he discovered me.
Hello?
Hello?
Victor?
Yeah, Nedu.
How is you?
One number of one, every person.
Nah, pasaram ka pasat one na I dey here. Nah, splash no here, splash baby.
One a good slash, I want
I want to pieces. One na.
Yes, I'm going to go to a lot of can go on the like.
Thank you.
Victor, thank you. Oh, good night. Peter from Niger State.
Nedu, how you doing?
I dey fine. Are you with me?
I'm with you, my brother.
But talk to me. Me and Splash dey here.
Splash, Kwano.
EJ there.
Abi, you know, Kobole.
I do.
Agege go.
Thank you.
With Betoba.
Yes.
Educate, no. Kebo go why no.
Oje, my brother. Oje Kalaba.
Lere na ge say.
Na makwane ma don ta we. I don't ta we.
IzyBeatz.
Boss.
Alpha.
Agege, good evening.
How's the catch your phone?
Thank you, man. We try.
Okay, my brother.
Yeah. Peter, you not stay long for Flash. You not stay long for me. Now IzyBeatz, they stay long on top. My brother, I'm suspecting you. Are you there? Oh yeah, Alex Cooper. Anyway, good night.
Yeah, nice.
Good night. Now, Splash, make I ask you, before I forget that question, can they ask you whether you has anybody in your life? How many love life?
You know them in your life.
My sister, leave that thing.
I have
I know the kind day why they are alive. If not the other kind day, you know the kind day why they talk.
You know the kind day.
I know the kind day because that kind day, now they make flavor do polokotum, bunkum, give two girls something.
Now that kind day you did.
Now that. From Port Harcourt, good evening. It is a guest sense, Abi. I will chop you. From Port Harcourt, good evening.
Good evening to you.
Good evening to you. How is you?
I am doing good.
Talk to us. Me and Splash there here.
Yes, Miss Splash, you're looking very good.
Thank you.
Do you have a boyfriend? Tell us the truth.
Wham.
Now, wow, the kind proposal they get. This ministry is moving. I don't have. I beg.
Tell us the truth, baby. Do you have a boyfriend?
Bobo, because apply within.
If you don't tell us the truth, you are going to cause your breakup, baby.
Then she not get boyfriend.
Apply within.
But you must get filling station, no?
I love the Agege song. Good singer. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Yes. Be selling Agege Bread is good for you. You know you're a good seller. sell the Agege Bread very well because they're a good one.
Nah, mother said, "Gonna just said that."
You understand? Investment. Anyway, no, all Daniel, thank you very much. Good night. Linus, the Liest, good evening.
Nedu,
Are you with me?
I am with you, Nedu. Good evening.
Linus, why they give you Linus? You don't lie too much.
I know they lie for where I know they lie.
Me and Splash,
Now,
they here.
I don't know why I'm inviting me, but I like the nation.
You Linus, you lies.
Yes. No, I know they lie.
Me and Splash, they here. Talk to us, Splash, they studio.
Hey, Splash. Good evening.
Good evening.
Nice one. I like your video. Nice one.
Thank you.
Mama, we born you, but you too fine. You too set. Allah, you
Wow,
too set.
this time washing. You
Lord,
need a
let
salon.
God give you more inspiration. Kind of your limit. Carry go.
I dey feel you.
Why you laugh now? What happened?
My brother, this washing way, you know what she tell you? You need hair salon. They do washing and setting. Your washing, my brother, is on another level. Well, good night. Chima from Aba. The baby. Chima, good evening.
Good evening.
Chima, Kakwana.
Adimoy.
Ndi Chima.
Yes, so good evening.
Good evening. Go talk to us.
Yes, this baby the sharp na TV.
Aqua Splash.
Adimo.
You don't enter junk file. Go talk to her.
Adikama. Nah, that baby the sharp.
She dey hear you now. I know she can hear you. Hey.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
My brother, you're not going to make heaven.
Vote for me.
You will not make heaven. Go, Chima, go. You will not make heaven. Good night. Good night. Jenny from Monacha. Hello?
Hello?
Hey. Hello, Jenny from Monacha. How is you?
I'm fine, Nedu.
How is your ministry?
Fine, but I don't have any ministry, I beg.
Are you with me?
She don't get it this straight.
Talk to us. Splash there, yeah.
Hello, please can I speak to Flash?
I'm here. I can hear you.
Okay, Flash, good evening.
Good evening, Kewe.
I love that your music. I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna play them for me, I beg.
Okay, we'll go plan.
Thank you. Nedu.
Hey, Wanda, how is you?
I'm fine. Where am I?
Oh, did Calabar? Thank you very much. Good night. Anyway, we've got some more chicken break. If you want to come back, we'll continue with Splash. Our phone numbers go there on Top TV. If you want to come back, make it begin the call. Today, we'll talk to Splash. And also, on top Twitter, we'll go take your Twitter messages. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.